Atomic size. Radius of an atom may be taken as measure of atomic size. The radius of an atom may be taken as distance between the nucleus and the outermost shell of the atom. The atomic radii of elements decreases in a period from left to right with an increasing atomic number. The atomic radii of elements increase in group on moving from top to bottom. In a period, the electrons enter one by one in the same energy level. At the addition of each electron, the nuclear change is increased by 1 unit. Hence, the nuclear attraction on the electron goes on increasing, and the atomic radii goes on decreasing due to the contraction of valence shell. In the group, the atomic radii of elements increasing in moving from top to bottom. Down the group, there is the addition of new electronic shells, though the nuclear change also increases. The effect of nuclear attraction on the atomic size is much less than the increasing due to the addition of new shell. Metallic and non-metallic characters. No loss of electrons to form sodium ion, so sodium is a metal. Chlorine gain electron to form chloride ion, so chlorine is the non-metal. The metallic and non-metallic nature depend upon the atomic size and ionization potential of the element. In lithium, more energy is needed to remove the electron from its outermost shell because of small atomic size. Ionization potential, as ionization potential increases, metallic character decreases and non-metallic character increases. Periodic properties. Since elements are arranged in the order of increasing atomic number, the characteristics property of elements reappear at regular intervals. These characteristic property of elements which occur at definite interval in the periodic table are called periodic properties. Some important periodic properties are mentioned below: valency, atomic volume, atomic size, ionization potential, electron affinity, electronegativity, metallic and non-metallic character.